When most of us hear the word rest, we think of sleep. But what if rest isn't about shutting off? What if rest is about being held without disappearing? Today's meditation is an invitation to experience rest that doesn't require collapse. Rest that lets your body soften while you stay right here. Welcome, everyone. My name is Marybeth Hrim. I'm a mental health therapist. I'm a coach. I'm a runner. And I have created these meditations to help you reconnect your nervous system, your body, and your natural rhythm, especially in seasons where slowing down feels unfamiliar or even uncomfortable. Today is day 1 of week 8 of the Living Unmasked series. And today we're exploring rest beyond sleep. The kind of rest that restores without shutting you down. And if these meditations support you, help you feel safer in your body, or offer a deeper sense of ease, I invite you to please hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, where you're going to find these practices there designed to support your nervous system regulation, embodiment, and living unmasked, gently and sustainably. Now let's begin and settle in. Find a position that feels supportive. You may be seated or lying down. Choose what allows your body to soften without needing to hold itself up. If you feel safe, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze down. Take a slow breath in through the nose and let it out through the mouth with a quiet sigh. No effort, no correction, just arrival. Before we rest, we orient. Notice the space around you, the temperature of the air, the surfaces supporting your body. Let your nervous system register. I am here. I am supported. Nothing is required of me. Allow that message to land. We'll begin with a simple breath pattern to signal safety to the body. Inhale gently through the nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause softly for 2, 1. Exhale slowly through the mouth for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the exhale be longer than the inhale. We'll do this together for a few times. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each long exhale How's your nervous system? You can soften now. Do that one more time on your own. Breathing in for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Now imagine your body resting on a wide, supportive surface, not sinking, not floating away, just being held. Your muscles don't need to go limp. Your mind doesn't need to drift. This is awake rest. Let your body experience what it's like to soften while staying present. Begin to gently rest your senses. Let your eyes rest behind the eyelids. Let your ears receive sound without listening for meaning. Let your jaw loosen slightly. Let your shoulders drop. You are not checking out. You are settling in. Now shift the breath to a wave. Inhale through the nose, letting the belly gently rise. Exhale through the mouth, feeling the belly fall. No forcing. Imagine the breath like a tide, coming in, going out. Nothing to chase, nothing to finish. Notice how this kind of rest feels compared to exhaustion. Exhaustion pulls you down. This kind of rest widens you. There may be warmth, or space, or a subtle sense of relief. Let whatever is present be enough. Now softly ask yourself, what does it feel like to rest without disappearing? You don't need an answer. Let the body respond in sensation, in breath, in stillness. Imagine your body quietly doing what it knows how to do when it feels safe. Repairing, rebalancing, reorganizing. Nothing dramatic, just quiet intelligence at work. You don't have to help it. As this practice begins to close, bring awareness back to your breath, to support beneath you. This kind of rest is something you can return to between tasks, between sleep, in moments of overwhelm. You don't have to wait until you're exhausted. When you're ready, gently begin to reorient. Wiggle your fingers or toes. Open your eyes. And carry this with you. Rest does not require collapse. You are allowed to soften and stay present. Your nervous system knows how to restore itself when you let it. If you'd like more practices like these, meditations that support deep rest, nervous system regulation, and living unmasked, I invite you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I share this content here to help you integrate this work gently and sustainably. Thank you so much for choosing rest that truly restores. Until next time, I'm Marybeth Hrim.